pa sa kuano bisi-isi oh.
Right first with a piece of cake, and of course right after that there you have it. Now it's your turn, Mike, to please give a piece of cake to your husband or once again, friends, people, make some noise. Everyone say the word kiss. Alright, next we have the wine toasting. For the wine toasting, this is to symbolize the blending of our two lives. Congratulations once again.
Wala dito kapalitan-man. Yung pagkatiyan sa yung shower party. I am not an expert in marriage, though I am happily married for 26 years to a godly, loving husband. But both of us are still under work in process. As a nurse, teacher, and DepEd exposed to the students in senior high school and in school clinic, I've seen how important is the primary education and hope for students to reach their maximum potentials. I can compare marriage to a schoolroom where you, Maymay, and Carl are students and both learning. That's why 3 letters are very easy to remember na akong i-share sa inyo duha karong gabi as you embark on this next chapter of your life. So, yun na kayo dumon, ABCD. ABC na tulo. A. Accept each other. Each of you is a unique person that comes from different household, upbringing, and educational background. It is necessary to lower your expectation and standard for each other, and to maintain love and harmony to your relationship, but always give a room for improvement and growth. Ayaw mo pag-stop and learn. Di ko mo ingon nga, trabaho na sa babae, trabaho na sa lalaki. Learn to support and correct in a tactful way and vice versa. And accept correction humbly. Learn in order to support your partner's task or burden, and that lead to the next letter, which is letter B. Be there for your spouse. No? So, dapat naagi mo sa isa-isa, you are now a helpmate of one another. Be a support system to each other. Be interested in your spouse's plans and aspirations in life. The world is offering various ways to break marriages nowadays. Strengthen your bond by being there for each other. Discover the love language of your spouse and be sensitive to provide his and her needs. Kung naay mga responsibility sa balay, or sa church, or sa career man, encourage each other. Kabangay mo ba? Kinabangay mo sa ministry, sa inyong career, o kung sa mga trabaho sa balay. Para magaan ang mga buluhan doon. Remember ko sa kumbana, he's always there for me. Kung ako kung sa kanyang mga plano, naaragid ko, kuyog sa iyahan. And lastly, letter C. Christ is the center of your marriage. Daghay challenges sa marriage, kami sa kuwan, daghay challenge from one career to another because naami mga crisis na natubang sa kinabuhi. But we were able to stand because Christ is the center sa among marriage. With Christ, you can handle whatever challenges that may come in your way. If you individually have a close relationship with Christ as your Savior, then you will be able to experience His love and forgiveness. And in the same manner, you can also do that to your spouse. Dili siya kayo lisod, kay recipient nata sa gugma o pagpasaylo sa atong Ginoo. Most of all, kung doon ay mga disagreement between the two of you, settle it as much as possible. Ayaw na napagpapaugmain, karong gabi, kung pwede, kung yun ang istoryahan. No? Kung pwede, ayaw na siya pasalupi sa adlaw, kaya pasalupan sa adlaw, ngayon na siyang kahoy, mamunga, usahay, mahimong bitterness, root of bitterness, which could be a cause for the breakup sa marriage. In Ecclesiastes 4:12, before ko close, ako rin siya i-share sa inyo. Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of three strands is not quickly broken. So kinsa man ang ikatulong na strand? It's God. It's Christ. Si Maymay ang isa ka strand, si Carl ang isa. Pero kung naa si Christ na mo, okay mag-intertwine sa inyong duha, sa unsa pa makayag ninyo atubangon. It is God's love that hold the couple and bind them together in His love that cannot be broken and can withstand in the test of time. So as your ninang, I hope din nyo tumaligtan ng ABC. So itong A, accept each other, be there for your spouse, and Christ make Him the center of your relationship. So may the years ahead be filled with love and joy for both of you. God bless and congratulations.
Asa na ka nasod?
Korea.
That's Korea, bro.
Taiwan.
North or South?
South.
South Korea! Asa ang continent ang Korea? Sige. Last question. Pila ka square kilometers ang South Korea? 5, 4, 3, ha?
6 square meter.
Isa ka nagupan ang question. South Korea is correct! Sir, talikod ang tubang dito makatubang ka dito adapita. As we play the song, sir, dapat mo anam-anam ka uglingi padulong kay Queen. Siyempre, ibutangin mo na buwa sa ilahang dalunggan. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go! Uy, mas may tagay na. O, sige, go, hinay-hinay, sir, go. Sige, hinay-hinay lang, hinay-hinay. Go. Sige. Sir, gunitin pala yung iyang mga kamot, sir, yung mga kabuo. Kung kamo kaslong, sir, o sa may tawag mo sa, gunit saan? Gunit, bro. Sige, gunit. Sige. Gunit, ayaw pagtanggal ang kamot, ha? Sige, gunit, go. Sir, if ever kaslong mo in the future, simba ko. O sa may tawag mo sa iya, ha? Or term of endearment. Go! Ang sa'yo tawag mo sa iya. Kay balong ko, gusto na dyan ka ni Gaina. Imok isi ka sa'yo, sir, padagay taon ni Duha. Go! Ikaw, ang sa'yo tawag mo sa iya, ha? Baby boy! So, I suggest, baby girl, itawag mo sa iya. Gulit ko mo doon. Sige, tawagan sa siya din, bihong ma'am. Sige, tawagan siya. Baby girl. Go. Go. Gulite. Go. Baby girl. Okay. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Go. Baby girl. Mura makagipanohot, sir. Kung sa'yo tawagin mo sa'yo, baby boy, tawagin sa'yo, baby boy? Baby boy. Luwag mo, may makaupaw na ba? Sige, baby boy? Baby boy? Oo? Say, oo. Sige. Now, at this point in time, gagayahin niyo lang kung ano yung gagawin ng ating couple na si Carl and Mai. So, syempre, mabibigyan kayo ng tatlong actions, 2 ties at isang lote. Action number 1! Go! Action number 1! Sige! Action number 1! Go! Ma'am, kasal ni walit agay ha. Sige! Action number 1! Go! Go na! 3, 2, 1, go! Uy, beso naman ko. Sige, go! Action number 1, go! Action number 2! Action number 2! Sigurado gini nga mag-abot yun ha. Go! Action number 2! abot. Sige, action number 3! Go! Action number 3, something in line. Go! Go! Action number 3! Aamuyin lang. Kasi, action number 3! Aysa, mag-perfume pa ka, sir. Action number 3, go! Oh, go! Sige, action number 3. Ano yun? Oh, go! Uy, sa ilok, ibutang. Wala ka rin ah. Go! Ay, sa mga amin ka, ma'am. Wala sa itaas, sir. Oh, go! Sige, go! Action number 3, go! Sige, tuloy pa! Go! Sige! Thank you so much once again. A big round of applause for our featured couple today. Palakpakan naman po na.